Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about translating the graph of a function 2 steps. So below we're given the graph of a function y equals 3 square root x, and we want to translate it to make the graph of y equals 3 square root of x plus 1 minus 2. So the plus 1 is going to do something, and the minus 2 is going to do something. The minus 2 is going to take all of our outputs and make them go down 2. So we're going to take the whole graph and shift it down 2. And then the plus 1 is going to move everything to the left 1. So I go for this center point at 0, 0. I'm going to go down 2 and to the left 1. So that point's going to end up here. Let's take a look at this point. This point is 1, 3. So I need to bring that point down 2 and over 1. So that point's going to go down here. So I'm going to end up having a curve sort of like this. It's actually going to have the same trajectory, just slightly off. Slightly lower and a little over to the left.